Mr. Paul woke up one day and decided he wanted to do more for himself and for his country. Since he was a child, he had this dream of feeding nations by owning the biggest farm in his country. Unfortunately for Mr. Paul, life didn't go as planned. He owns a farm now, but his farm barely feeds his local community. His farm yields just enough produce to sell and feed his family. But have you ever heard the proverb that says, where there is life, there is hope? Mr. Paul decided that very day that he wasn't too old to pursue his dreams. His dreams were still very valid. He would find a way to get money so he could acquire bigger plots of land and purchase some agricultural equipment, fertilizers, and other important agricultural materials. Paul's dreams came through as he became a beneficiary of an agricultural financing program set up by a non-governmental organization. Mr. Paul was supported with the funds needed to expand his production. He was provided with capital to start his business, and this enabled him to acquire the necessary farm input he needed to increase his efficiency and productivity. What we want to discuss today is the process through which Mr. Paul got the funds needed to expand his business. This process is called agricultural financing. Agricultural financing is the reason why small-scale farmers like Mr. Paul can expand their business and carry out various agricultural projects. It is such a vital aspect of agriculture, especially because it enables farmers to meet the demands for their produce. So, what exactly is agricultural financing? It can be defined as the act of acquisition and use of capital in agribusiness. Agricultural financing encompasses the demand and supply of funds in order to carry out various projects in the field of agriculture. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at the various ways that farmers can get capital for their businesses, so stay tuned.